Hello everyone, good day.
We are the Excel Explorer and today we will show you the basic of using Microsoft Excel.
In this activity, we will demonstrate how to enter data, format a table, and apply basic formulas in Excel.
Simple running activity pero dako kayo ni og tabang para mas masabtan nato ang Excel, so let's begin.
First, we open Microsoft Excel and create new worksheet.
Then we explore the parts of the Excel like ribbon, then cells, formula bar, and the worksheet tabs.
Then, after that, among rename ang worksheet ngadto sa basic data. So, kami siyang listan og basic data. And then, para ma-organize og tan-awon ang among files.
As the data entry specialist, akong role kay mag-input sa dataset sa Excel. Our table has item, quantity, price per unit, and total cost. Ang sold sa item is apple, apples, bananas, orange, and grapes. And quantity is 10, 15, 12, 8. Price per unit is 2.50. Price per unit is 3.50, 1.50, 2.20, and 3.00. Important yun sa sakto nga nag-import sa number aron wala error sa computation.
Now, ako naman ang bahala sa formatting table. First, gibold na ko ang headers like item, quantity per price per unit, and total cost. Second is nagbutang po kong cell shading sa header row para mas klaro tan-awon. Then, karon i-adjust ang column width para readable ang data. Then, i-change na po na po ang format sa price per unit or total cost into currency format dollar para mas professional tanawon. Dili mag-shortcut para
Now let's compute the total cost. To calculate the total cost per item, we use the formula equal B2 times C2. For example, apples is equals to 10, which is B2 times the $2.50, which is C2. Then the total is 25. And same na po na sa bananas, orange, and grapes. Sa bananas kay equals to B3 times C3. Total is 27. Sa orange equals to B4 times C4. The total is 26.40. And sa grapes is equals to B5 times C5, and with a total of 24. Then to get the overall total, we use the sum function, which is sum equal to sum open parentheses D2 plus D5 close parentheses. So, equals sum, open parentheses, D2, and then D5, close parentheses, and the total cost of all items is 102.40.
Through this activity, we learn how to enter data correctly in Excel.
we also learn how to format tables to make them clear and organized.
Ug nakat-on pod ni unsa paggamit sa basic formulas like multiplication and sum.
Thank you for watching our presentation.